Hey you guys, what's up? So Urban Decay was kind enough to send me a huge package and I would love to open that with you guys as well as create a look. So if you would like to see what Urban Decay sent over, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys. So Urban Decay sent over this huge package that is literally the size of my entire body almost. These are the new 24/7 Glaze-On liquid eyeshadows. So yeah, we are going to swatch every single one of these as well as create a look using some of these beautiful liquid eyeshadows. So opening up this package, it is humongous. Looks a little something like this. You guys, these apply in seconds. They're crease resistant and they have up to 15-hour wear, you guys. So these are going to stay put once they are on. And you're not going to need a brush or your fingers for this because they have created a new innovative brush that is built into each of these liquid eyeshadows. So these come in 4 shimmers and 2 duochromes. And these are a very lightweight liquid eyeshadow, so they're not going to feel heavy on the eye. Starting us off, this is the shade Frost Boss. And this is described as a blue lavender duochrome shimmer. So there's that brush that I'm talking about, you guys. It's built in. It is a bristle brush, but it just dips into that product just so seamlessly. They do tell you to shake these, and that is going to give that brush the maximum application of product for a perfect seamless application to the eye. So this is Frost Boss, and she looks a little something like that. Holy cow. One swipe swatch, you guys, that is stunning. I feel like my light is a little bright here. Let me tone it down so you guys can really see how beautiful that liquid eyeshadow is. So yes, this is a blue lavender duochrome shimmer. Next, we have Silver Spooning, which is a sterling silver shimmer. And she is so, so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous, you guys. Next, we have Traffic Jam, which is a burgundy shimmer. And I do have this on my eyes today. So beautiful. Moving right along, we have Sugar Twist, which is a rose gold shimmer. So beautiful. These are just so stunning. Next is Space Cowboy Intense, which is a light champagne gold shimmer. And last but not least, we have Sunshine Tax, which is a pink gold duochrome, and she is so gorgeous. In some light, she looks really pink, and then in person, she looks really gold. Super beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I do have this shade on my eyes today as well, and I also popped her on my lips. For a little matchy duochrome moment. Without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using some of these Urban Decay 24/7 Glaze-On liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so what I'm doing first is just taking Traffic Jam and applying that to the outer corner of my eye and kind of blending it out a little bit with the built-in brush. Now taking that beautiful shade Sunshine Tax, that's going right onto the lid. Then for that inner corner area, we are going in with Frost Boss. I'm taking Urban Decay's Rockstar 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil and lining my waterline area. And then we are bringing Traffic Jam on down to the lower lash line area. Then taking a little bit of Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara, I'm just coating my lashes. And that's pretty much the look, you guys. These apply in seconds. They're super beginner friendly, and they're going to give you that beautiful glow to your eye that makes it look like you spent hours on your makeup. Well, that is it, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below what shade was your favorite. Will you be trying these new Urban Decay 24/7 Glaze-On eyeshadows? And if so, which one will you be trying? I just want to say a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me yet another package to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.